And after you leave a like, remember to smash the subscribe button if you haven't subscribed to my channel as yet. And remember to hit the notification bell so every time I post a video you can know right away. Subscribe, 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 subscribe. What's up, my YouTube friends, viewers, subscribers, everybody? Welcome back to another banger tasting test video. And what I will be trying right now is Dairy Queen's new Reese's Peanut Butter Cup Pie. So this is a flavor for fall, so let me say it now before I jump into the video. It is for fall, it's seasonal, so it is limited edition. So I'm gonna try it and let you know just how I think about it and if you should try it as well. So let me put this here. And this is like Reese's Peanut Butter Cup Pie. So I'm a fan of, like, say, Reese's Puff. So I'm gonna see how this is. And this have a little bit of whipped cream on the top. So like I've said, they came out with five flavors for the fall, so seasonal. So you guys know it's going away. So far I've tried, I think this is like the fourth one, because they have one for the month that's different from the fall. So this is like the third one they have for the fall, because they have 5 flavors for the fall, and then they have like a blizzard of the month. So I already tried the blizzard of the month, so this is like the third flavor that they have for the fall. So the other two were really bussin'. They were sweet. So I'm gonna try this to see how this is. And like I've said, I like Reese's Puff. It's like, that's like one of my favorite chocolates. So this should be okay. This should be okay. So here we go. Here we go. I can taste a I can taste a Reese's Puff. Because I think Reese's Puff is also like, and I can taste the peanut butter. I think Reese's Puff is sort of like, no, not say sort of, but I think Reese's Puff is a something to do with peanut butter. But I can taste the flavor in this. This is like, and small bits of Reese's Puff in there too. Like, this is outstanding. It's like eating Reese's Puff in a dessert form. Well, due to the fact that Reese's Puff is chocolate, so probably I would say a liquid form. That sounds a lot better. But I can taste a Reese's Puff, peanut butter. Outstanding. Bro, whoever came up with this was genius. Now let me try some of this with the whipped cream on there. This is not bad at all. If you like Reese's Puff, then you will literally enjoy this. And it's not too sweet. Like, I think even kids will enjoy this. If your kid like Reese's Puff, they will enjoy this. And small bits of Reese's Puff inside, bro. I feel like that's one of the best ways to make, like, products like this, is where, like, for me, you know, most times when you go get, like, say, Oreo ice cream, or not say Oreo, but like strawberry ice cream, there's never a small thing of strawberry inside. It's like flavored. And the same for like Oreo ice cream. Sometimes, like, depending on the type of ice cream, then it will taste like it's flavored. But you got some ice cream where they have like small bits of Oreo inside it. Like this. Got small bits of Reese's Buttercup Puff inside it. So it's not, say, flavored. This is literally outstanding. Like I said, bro, this this tastes like I'm eating Reese's Puff in a liquid form. And with every bite, it's like small bits of Reese's Puff. This flavor is outstanding. Oh, with the whipped cream on top. And this is actually medium. I think this is the best one I've tried so far. Like not too sweet. Like something you can really enjoy. Not say take like two bites and then all of a sudden you need a big cup of water. For this, I'll literally give this 10 out of 10. Like it's just perfect. Now this would be something you can like enjoy on a hot day. Yep. This is definitely something you can enjoy on a hot day, but good thing it's like a fall flavor. So fall is like cool, not hot. Yeah, literally 10 out of 10. Yeah. Now this is something I strongly recommend. Make sure you try this from Dairy Queen before it's gone. Because they have like say a Reese's Blizzard, but this one is like Reese's Peanut Butter Cup Pie. So this one is different than the one that they always have there. This is a promotion, so make sure you try this before it's gone. And especially if you like, say, Reese's Puff, you will literally enjoy this. No joke. Yeah. Like, there's absolutely nothing wrong with this. Not too sweet, not too bitter. You can, like, even kids can enjoy this. Like, I've tried their Oreo hot cocoa, and bro, that was sweet. But this, the flavor is just right. Like, anybody can enjoy this. Yeah, anybody can enjoy this. So, like I've said, it's seasonal, so it is limited edition. It is gonna go away. So you might want to try this before it's gone. If you don't want to try the other ones, I recommend you try this before it is gone. Because who wouldn't want to try Reese's Peanut Butter Cup Pie Blizzard? Come on. Come on. You can't ask for nothing better than this. Well, you can, but at this moment, like so far I've done 3 and this is like the best one I tried. Like not too sweet. Something you can enjoy, because you know most times when they have say like blizzards or ice cream or frosty, sometimes they make it too sweet that you can't really get to enjoy it, where you have to eat say quarter and put the rest away for later. This you can literally eat this in one go. Excuse me, already been digested. But make sure you try it before it's gone. Trust me, it is gonna go away. I can't wait to see what they're gonna have in the winter. It's crazy, I can't wait. But till then, this is like say the best one they have so far. They got they got 2 more. I will try the other 2, because so far I tried 3 and they got 5. So I will try the other 2 just to see how it sits. But so far this is like the best one. So there you guys have it. Thank you very much for watching. Remember to like, comment, subscribe, and stay tuned. I will be back trying and doing a bunch of stuff. You go enjoy the rest of your day. I'm out. And don't forget to follow me on social media. I post daily on them.